If you or your neighbours have a garden, you likely have an abundance of zucchinis lying around and have no clue what to do with them all. Well, I say make these absolutely delicious baked zucchini fries. They're really cheesy, but they don't have any dairy. They're really crispy, they have no flour, and of course they're ultra delicious, and they have no junk. So let's go ahead and start cooking. And voila, crispy fries, but instead of the normal stuff, they're gluten-free, they're low carb, paleo, and even ketogenic, making for a really yummy but very healthy snack recipe. I really love to pair these with a grass-fed lettuce wrap burger for a really healthy and satisfying weeknight dinner. Or another one of my favorite things to do is quite simply just dunk them into my favorite dipping sauce for a really satisfying snack. I hope you guys absolutely loved this recipe and enjoy it as much as I do. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. Also, make sure you subscribe to our Metabolic Living YouTube channel. We post new content all the time, whether it's brand new recipes, we've also got workouts on our channel, all the healthy things, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe. Also, while you're at it, pop on over to social media and follow us at Metabolic Living. We are on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, guys. I hope you enjoy your zucchini fries. Have an absolutely fabulous day, and I will see you all in the next video.